Hi everybody, welcome to Old Guy's Garage.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Good to see you. Just a real quick tip here. I'm working on my rims on the 86 Olds, and they do have some pitting. I'm pretty sure when I did get these it wasn't as bad as this, but I'm going to show you a trick here to make that disappear and go away. So stay tuned. So, got some real fine steel wool here, and we're just going to hit here where it's pitted. Not sure how much is going to come off. We're just going to hit it and work it. Let's see what happens. And I've been working on these and cleaning them up. I'm kind of shocked at the pitting, because usually if I do take this car to a car wash and drive it around for a little bit, make sure there's no water, you know, on the rims. But so I think it's already looking better, at least better than what it was, you know. So anyhow, we're just going to keep on going around here. Let's look at this area here. So yeah, I think it's looking shinier, looking better, you know. So I think I bought these off eBay a while ago. Let's go up this side here, just do some magic. Yep, got to put some elbow grease into it. So yeah, you know, I like using, oh yeah, here we go. So it's looking better, you know. This one here is on the passenger side rear, so it's like my least favorite rim, probably why I put it there. So let's see what happens when we hit this. Some of it's going away, you know. This one does have a pretty bad case. So here's some here we're gonna get. There we go. I think it's looking better. So might not be able to get it all, but you know, it's definitely better than what we started with. Moving up to the front wheel here, let's go ahead and hit this one, see if we can make any magic happen. Ooh, ouch, that kind of hurt. Not as coordinated with my left hand for sure. There we go. Just go up. Let's see, here's some right here. There we go. Did some here. Got some in here. Not bad. Shaping up. Some of the stuff's pretty deep. Hit this spot here. There we go. Get around this valve stem. That's a little tricky. There we go. I'm just going to do this to the whole rim here, you know, and just get some of that, whoa, steel wool dust off of there. Let's see if we can squeeze some of this in there. There we go. Looking better every minute. Just gonna squeeze it in there. I'm just gonna go around the whole rim. Watch your knuckles. Whoops. Or you can just back the car up a little bit. There we go. We're up here. Let's see if we can make that go away. Awesome, awesome. It's looking pretty sharp. There we go. Whoops. There we go. You could feel it getting smoother as you go. So, cool beans. Yeah, get this wiped down. There we go. I was talking to the wife. I'm like, man, these just don't look like they bought, you know, the day I bought them. And yeah, I don't really expect them to, but you know, it is nice to be able to get most of the, not most of it, but you know, get some of the pitting knocked down for sure. You know, so there we go, man. I think it really made a difference. So here we go. Got these polished up. Man, they look really good now. Here's this one. And this one here. And this one. Voila, what a difference. Now I'm going to probably work on those tires a little bit the closer I get to Power Tour. Get those white letters polished up a little bit more. So, stay tuned. Alright everybody, so if you have some chrome rims on your ride, just a little bit of fine steel wool, I think is definitely good, really good maintenance to keep these things looking brand new and to knock down any pitting or anything that might be starting, or if it's already there, you know, make it go away, make it disappear entirely, or really knock it down to where it's really not that visible anymore. So anyhow everybody, thanks for watching, and remember, whether it's a classic car, a muscle car, your dream car, let's keep them running, and I'll see you next time.